Now, the most popular and loved Mugithi singer and a former police officer, Samuel Mushoki, well known as Samido, has once again found himself at the center of controversy. And this time around, the superstar is not trading because of his music career, but because of his today's worst and terrible actions, which has quickly spread across various social media platforms, sparking debate and drawing mixed reactions from fans in a very huge and more negative manner that has never been witnessed before. Many saying that this time around he has come too much, while others defending him, saying that he is also a human being with emotions and angers, and when he is pushed to the corner, he has no option but to do what he has done, no matter how bad or good it is. However, Samido's personal life has long been under public scrutiny, especially because of his love matters with the two partners, that is his wife Andy Dorito and Senator Karen Nyamu, his baby mama, where today the father of five took to his social media, where he has done the worst and which nobody ever thought, believed or imagined that Samido could do while still in his Germany tour, and especially after the superstar was touched where it hurts him most, in a manner that has embarrassed and disrespected him so badly. And because he is also a human being, Samido could not be able to hold back his angers. He had no option but to do the worst, and which has caused a lot of dramas and violence across the social media, many accusing him, especially being that he is a public figure, while others supporting, saying that he is also a human being and people should respect him as well. However, as we all know that Samido is one of the most established musicians and also an icon when it comes to the music entertainment industry, and not only in Kenya but across the world. And apart from being known for his good music, he is also very well known for his good work of giving back to the society through his foundation, which was launched not long ago, where many of his fans and Kenyans at large expressed their angers and disappointment at him, saying he is supposed to be a role model and not to engage himself in any unnecessary activities such as abuse, accusations and violence that will only tarnish his good image, and especially accusing and throwing very harsh words towards his fans who have made him the star he is, many condemning his today's action, saying that this is high level of disrespect towards his fans and he must refrain from it no matter what. This came, or the exchange began, when some of his followers took to his social media and they commented under one of his posts in a very terrible manner that provoked his anger. Immediately after the superstar announced his political move and revealed that come 2027 he will be vying a seat as a member of parliament in Oljorok, Nyandarua County, where he come from, and they also confirmed that he will vie for that seat under DCP party, and many Kenyans supported his move, saying he deserves to be a member of parliament because he has all the qualities of a good leader. While a section of Kenyans, as usual, started criticizing, attacking and demoralizing or disappointing his political move, telling him to keep off the politics and stop dreaming because he can never be elected as a member of parliament. But the fact is, we have seen so many musicians being elected as leaders, and Samido could be one of them. And Samido got very furious and angry and decided to respond to them in a very rude manner that has caused a lot of war and violence. But despite that, Samido ignored most of his critics, but there is this one and who provoked his anger and decided to respond in a very rude manner, where the fan told Samido that, and I quote, "From a police to MP, how?" And immediately the superstar responded to him saying that, and I quote, "Hey, you can also be, sky is not the limit, at least hata wewe tusemange from a sex worker to MP." And many got very agitated with Samido's response, where they commented saying that, and I quote, "Sam, I strongly feel Samido was too harsh towards him." Where Samido umeanza kutusi watu na election bado, this is kind of people we don't want in leadership. Endelea na music ama upolisi sasa, bye bye. Hapa hakuna comeback, hii ni ujinga and we have seen it in several times from him. Umeanza na roho ukamaliza na mwili Samido. Huyu jamaa huongea tu nonsense, comeback moto moto but kuna mahali itamu affect. Huyu na hubamba tu Milayas wenzake. And the last one said that hiyo jibu ya Samido inaonyesha tu alisikia uchungu. And this conversation is still very tight. What is your take on this? Leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. I'm your host Ken Godson aka Mtoto wa Muge Stable aka Nitramirated Kabara. Let's meet in the next video dropping right after this one. Thank you for watching.